Hello everyone. I am here with two mini little journals I want to share with you. These I just finished up today and they're just going to be like little journaling type kits. I made these out of my snippet covers and I put a little closure on them and a little dangle. This is just like a, this closure is made from a piece of fabric that I cut off something else, and then I layered it on top with some pretty lace, so that way it's kind of cute on both sides. Focus, there we go. So that way it's kind of cute on both sides. And these are, oh, they're 4.5, I thought it was 4.5 by 3.5 size. And this is the cover. They're so cute. I'll flip through this one really quick. Like I said, there's snippet covers on the outside. I don't know if you can get up close so you can see really good. And I put some lace on the spine. And yeah. And let's go inside. Cardstock for the inside cover. A little bag here to begin with. And oh my goodness. This is just a little coffee dyed piece of paper that I put inside here as I fling this across the room. A little journaling card. I think this is from one of Artie Mays' kits. I'm going to try and hold this up here and do it at the same time. There's some coffee dye or cardstock in here that I did not coffee dye. This is a piece of one of Artie Mays' kits that I don't really know what kit it is. I just know it's hers. A little tiny card there. I did a little bit of stamping. Just a little heart I made. I just glued it on there. I just did some layering on the, layered on there. Made it look cute. Little doily. More little school paper or something kind of paper. Little washi tape. A little tab. Each one has 2 tabs. These are basically about the same exact on the inside. I just clipped this on. Little coffee dyed piece of paper, and I think that is Dreams Etc. paper there. Coffee dyed repair tag, some old school paper, and these are just cut-offs, and I just made little tag flips out of those. And over here, another little piece from one of Artie Mays' kits, and this is a journaling card, the butterfly, and this is just some cut-off pages of the coffee dyed paper that I used, and I just made a little booklet out of it. Out of my vintage gardening book I got. And this opens up, and there's more of that old school paper in there to write on. And I just close it with this little paper clip. That's so cute. This is the middle of the signature. They both have something in the middle like that. And over here, I just glued this on for a little journaling and tucked this behind. Like so. The other little side of the flips. I have a hangnail, and I keep doing, when you have a hangnail, oh my gosh, you just keep messing with it, like this paper keeps getting caught on it. Another piece of that Artie Mays. This has got some glue on the top, but I put it in here anyways because I like it. And it's just coffee dyed tag. Some more washi. Could be peeled up and used somewhere else in the book. And the other part of the repair tag, and I just made a little pocket out of it. Put this vintage card in here. And I think this is Nick the Booksmith right here. And just a little flower with some eyelash trim behind it. The other part of the bag, and it has this pretty journaling card in it. And that is the back. Super cute. And it's going to come with a bunch of other goodies you can either use in this journal or in a different journal that you please. And I got some flower makings over here and a journal makings over there, and oh, I got this much space to work with. This is what you see. This is the only spot I got. Anyways, this comes with a half a yard of each one of these trims. I love it. They both come with that. And this little baggie of goodies right here, which has a couple different paper clips in there, some washi tape, this paper clip, this metal flower, that paper clip, and the rest of this is little, I don't want to pull it all out because it took me forever to get them in there without wrinkling them up, but recollection flowers. I don't know, there's probably like 8 different ones in there. Oh, there's the other paper clip I was looking for. This one's a dog, and this one is a kitty. A kitty cat. And they both come with this little bag, exact same bag full of, the flowers will be a different color, but there's like, I don't know, 8 to 10 flowers maybe. I don't know how many in there. But it comes with that little bag. It comes with this little crocheted flower that I cut off a doily. And these 2 doilies. It comes with some fussy cut flowers. Just a handful of those because I have a trillion of the same ones in my box down there. So I'm just going to add some to this journal. You can cut them up, make them fit into the journal or into a different journal. Like 13 inches of this red eyelet trim, which is so cute. A piece of this blue that I already sewed into a ruffle. Another pretty doily. Some little images here that I have triples of or whatever. I just grabbed them out of my box because I have a school pencil box full of these. And then there's some Tim Holtz people here. That one. This one. This guy, which is one of my favorites. And then this little family, which is one of my favorites as well. And then there's these die cuts that I cut, fussy cut. They're textured too. They got like, if you can see that. See how they got their lines or whatever in there? Embossed, there you go. Good grief, Paula. Speak. Embossed flower die cuts. Fussy cut out. And all of this will come in this, oh, there's stuff in the bag. Anyway, it will all come in that little bag. There's some more of these ATC type cards. And I will show all of that in there so it don't get bent up. And yeah, these are going to be selling for $30. And that includes the shipping. So yeah, $30. And here, I'm going to flip through this one for you really quick. This one has a different dangle bead on it. And I'll just go super fast. The bag's just different. It has some same kind of papers. They're just laid out a little differently. It's got these 2 little tags in there. But it definitely has the same flower, or same papers. I'm sorry. Oops, glued it. You know how that goes. Oh, this one has this little card, plain card, instead of the red one. Another little folded up journaling card. But yeah. And those 2 tags. And it has a bunch of this, or a folded up piece of this old school paper inside of this envelope, and this is the middle. some washi tape on the top. And it has this journaling card. Love this. And this is a tag that I cut. I cut this actually. It's right here. See that? That was actually a tag. And I cut it in half and made a tuck spot and a little tag out of it. Because it was too tall and I wanted to use it in here. So that's how I made it work. Over here is a little ticket tag, I guess. The other flips. And this one has this little cutie patootie. And then these two little tags. And these are Artie Mae's as well. And here we have this journaling card. And that is that little mini. Real quick like. Oh, I want to show you the front and the back so you can see what it looks like. I didn't show you like that like I did the other one. And the same comes with this one, only this trim is different. This little red trim right here. I think that's other than, oh no, this is the same little baggie full of flowers, only these flowers are just different colors. This is a different color, this little crocheted flower here. Needs to be ironed out. And these are the same. These are different. Little, I think some of these are tsunami rose flowers. These ones are, yes. I just fussy cut them out, and some of them I cut out with my scan and cut. And then we got the images. This one's on paper. Most of them are on cardstock. I think there's one in each pile that's on paper. And then there's these little flower die cuts. Guess you can't really see that, can you? There you go. Those are the flowers. And the people that come with this one are this one, and this one, this little guy, and this one. And also in there is a handful of these journaling cards that I have a trillion of that I'm trying to use up. Like these are the ones I folded in half and put inside the journal. But yeah, like I said, these are going to be $30. That includes shipping in the US. I wish I could ship outside of the US for that cheap, but I cannot, and I feel really bad about it, and I'm so sorry. But if you are interested and you are outside the US, you can contact me and I will look up how much shipping will be for you. But yeah, I will leave my Facebook linked below, and you can contact me on there. Send me a personal message over there, and I will get these right out to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.